Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI templates. So both of them are very helpful for you to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So whenever you are struggling to reduce plagiarism in your research paper, you need many of the paraphrasing and rewriting tools. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about two templates. It is specially designed to reduce your plagiarism without changing the core meaning of your content. That is very important in reducing plagiarism. So many of the rewriting tools rewrite the content, but it changes the meaning of the sentences and the meaning of the concept in that particular paragraph or that is sentences. So this two important templates is specially designed to reduce plagiarism without changing the core meaning of the paragraph. Let us go on to today's video and check that AI templates. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as input sources, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking algorithm in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from that input renewable energy sources. After that, we are going to incorporate that renewable energy sources with with EV charging station by providing proper power management between the EV charging station and the input. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS Research Support. So go to LMS Research Support. So just click on that AI chatbot. So in this AI chatbot, you will be having different types of LMS AI template, especially designed for research. So here you can see these are the different templates available in LMS AI. So here you can see summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer. So these are the different types of templates are available in LMS Research Support. So the main objective of this that is LMS Research Support is to make your research paper writing simple. So in this video, we are going to explore two different templates, that is a plagiarism reducer template and then a paraphrasing template. So in order to explore that templates, I am going to take a content from that is internet. So I am going to take these two paragraphs. So copy the two paragraphs. So go to any free plagiarism checking software. So here you can see this is a free plagiarism director. So in this free plagiarism director, so you can copy and paste the content. So you can check up to 1000 words in this free plagiarism director. So after that, what you can do is check plagiarism. So click on check plagiarism. So it will take several seconds to generate the report. So thereby, after generating the report, so we will copy and paste the content in two of the templates and we will check it again. So how far this plagiarism is reduced by using that particular plagiarism reduction and paraphrasing templates. Here you can see most of this content are plagiarism, that is plagiarized. So here you can see 88% is plagiarized and 13% is only unique content. So this is the content we are going to take to analyze and explore the two templates. So just go on to the template. So first you can click on the option called paraphrasing option. So in this paraphrasing option, what you can do is you can copy and paste the same content which you have checked for plagiarism. So here what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the content. So and then again I am going to give paraphrase. So it will take several seconds to generate the paraphrased content. So in the meantime, we will refresh that particular plagiarism director.net. So here you can see that. So it is 88% plagiarized. Go back. Okay, we have refreshed. So delete the content we have checked. So after here you can see that our content will be paraphrased. So after copy the content here and then go to plagiarism checker again. So paste the content. So and then click check for plagiarism. So again you can check plagiarism. That is, we have used a paraphrasing template to check for plagiarism. So let us see how it will works out, whether this paraphrasing template will reduce the that is plagiarism in that particular paper or not. So it will take several seconds to generate. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see that in this plagiarism scan report. So after we have used that paraphrasing content, so here you can see that 0% plagiarized, 100% unique content. So it will generate a 100% unique content in this plagiarism detector non-net. So you can use any of the software, but surely I will make sure that I will assure that it will reduce plagiarism. So in this plagiarism, free plagiarism checking software, so it is showing that 0% plagiarist and 100% it will generate a unique content. So thereby you can make use of this paraphrasing template to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So next important template is that plagiarism reducer template. So just to click on that plagiarism reducer template. So in this, what you are going to do is, I am going to copy and paste the content. That is the first content we have checked, which is subjected to 88% of plagiarism. So in this, I am going to copy and paste the content here. So that is the content, and click on reduce plagiarism. So this the main objective of this particular AI template is to, that is, it will get rid of plagiarism by reducing that, that is without changing the core meaning of the content. That is very important. So here you can see that, so a solar power system is also known as PV system. So like that, it is that is paraphrased into a plagiarism free content. So go to that plagiarism checking software again, that is plagiarism detector.net. So it is a free plagiarism checker. So again, what you can do is, you can copy and paste the content which is that is the content which is generated by plagiarism detection template. So after that, you can click check for plagiarism. So here it will take several seconds to generate the content. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see that this 13% plagiarism, that is that 88% is reduced to 13%. So next you can see that 88% is unique content. So this is how you can get your plagiarism reduced using these templates. So you can ask a question that, so a paraphrasing template will generate the content which has 0% plagiarism, while the plagiarism reduction template is generating 13% plagiarism. So why it is named so as a plagiarism reduction, you can ask. The important thing, again I am telling that, so without changing the core meaning, that is very important in plagiarism reduction. So without changing the core meaning of the particular paragraph, so it will reduce the content. If you want to reduce further, so you can use the same plagiarism reducer template again, and you can reduce further. So like that, you can make use of this option to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So this is all about this video. This paraphrasing and plagiarism template will I assure that it will surely reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So you can make use of this option.